Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M52. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. At the beginning enter Google app, tap More, go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable this function. Now go back, tap on lock screen and make sure this function is also enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 22 and sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 22 and a low of 9.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.